This so-called round sunflower technique is for when you want a round finish sunflower block. This way you don't have to trim off the points of a raw edge applique sunflower block, and your raw block will finish more round, like the compass and compass sunflower blocks. The construction technique will be largely the same as a raw edge applique sunflower. The only difference is that we will cut off the background triangles in the beginning and then use these triangles to create more sunflower units. You will notice that the strips needed are a little different than a raw edge applique sunflower block. Make sure to use the table in my updated Skinny Robin 16-point Mariner's Compass book to find the strips needed for your block. In this example, we will make a 12-inch round sunflower. The round sunflower table says that we will need one 3¼ inch background strip, two 2-inch 0.1 strips, and one 1½ inch inside 0.3 strip. Follow the steps in your book for sewing the background and 0.1 strips together, and note that you will have an extra 0.1 strip that we will use in a moment. Continue following the instructions in your book to cut 8 45-degree angled units out of your strip set. Again, following the instructions in your book, go ahead and cut the background triangles off of these 8 units. We will now take these 8 triangles and sew them onto our extra 0.1 strip. To do this, you will need to offset the first triangle to allow for later trimming. You will place one of the background triangles right side down on your 0.1 strip, matching the left side edges below the selvage. Mark or place your finger where the triangle intersects with the right side of the 0.1 strip. Rotate the triangle under this point. This is where you will start sewing. Sew all 8 of the background triangles onto the 0.1 strip, leaving about a 1/4 inch in between each triangle. Press the seam toward the background triangles by placing the 0.1 strip right side up and pressing the background triangles up. Flip the strip so that the 0.1 strip is at the top and cut the units apart by placing the 45-degree line on the seam line. Now you have 8 extra sunflower units to make the 16 needed for your block. Trim all 16 of these units with your Skinny Robin ruler, following the instructions in your book. Continue with the steps for making a raw edge applique sunflower block by adding all 16 of these units to the inside 0.3 strip and then cutting the units apart. Sew these 16 units together and you have a raw, round sunflower block ready for traditional round finishing. You can use this method to make an octocompass finish sunflower block as well. Just make sure to use the strip cutting tables from the Octocompass chapter in your book or Octocompass pattern.